It's a great honor and privilege for me to be here with you. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to Honorable Gavin Williams and other parliamentarians who have made a positive contribution to our cause. Today I bring a message of goodwill and best wishes from the Republic of Somaliland, its House of Representatives, and most importantly, its people. On behalf of my people, I wish to express our sincere gratitude to Gavin for securing the debate on Somaliland recognition in the House of Commons. It was an important debate which underlined our people's universal right for self-determination and raised the hobbies and inspiration of so many in my country. Thank you once again. Before I go down to where Somaliland stands today as a nation, I would like to share with you a brief and concise background information in a historical context about my country. As you know, in 1991, the people of Somaliland had only one goal in their minds. They unanimously agreed upon each other to reclaim their once lost sovereignty. At the beginning of the re-establishment of Somaliland state, the first logical step was starting the forgiveness and reconciliation process between the clans living in Somaliland. And this made it possible to find common ground in public building conference. If I try to underline the reality, Somaliland has made significant progress through a genuine peace consultation process based on resolving internal problems peacefully, without calling out the external actors for mediation. Our elders, politicians, and all those who have been working the reunification of the Somaliland people were free for foreign interferences. And that's why we are different to our neighbors. Somaliland has not easily become a viable, stable, and peaceful nation. Our people have come a long way in building and maintaining government institutions. But the tangible progress that we have made in recent years is quite astonishing and commendable. Somaliland will be able to sustain and accelerate its internal development, which will bring about significant change in livelihoods. When we talk about the visible democratic transformation that we have achieved, Somaliland is determined to be free, sovereign, and independent state among very global nations. In terms of implementation, multi-party system, free and fair elections, state building that my people have achieved over the last 30 years, no one can deny it at all. And the reality is clear to British government, which has ruled in Somaliland more than 8 years. But I don't know why is the British government forcing the people of Somaliland to become part of a nation that notoriously known for backwardness and turmoil. Somaliland does not deserve to be treated like that. And the unity between Somalia and Somaliland is daydreaming. And dreams do not always become a reality. It is important for us to have a good relationship with the British government, our neighbors, and the rest of the world. But if the international community do not realize the value of Somaliland and its main location, there are other major global powers that are interested in having a close relationship with us, whereby they will be able to gain greater access into the strategically important Horn of Africa region. Thank you, Mr. Gavin Williams, how you support our nation.
Thank you so much, and I think you make such an important point, about the progress that Somaliland has made, but also the important geopolitics that Somaliland plays a part of. And you're right, I mean, you've seen so many African countries sell their soul